popcorn still back there. I put a bunch of newer straw down here, kind of cover up this stinky area. Put a board across the bottom of the front door there, so it should hold in babies. The other youngsters. Hello, Blue. The other youngsters can get in to that house if they're very motivated. They've jumped over it before, but they may or may not go in there tonight. I put food and water out here, so there's no more food and water inside the house. The heat lamp's still on, and if they want to go in there tonight, I will close it. If they don't, and we'll see how they do. I'm still going to close it for popcorn. But, yes, I hear you, Blue. I'm going to go close this. There are the youngsters. They spent the whole day outside. Peanut's gone in a couple times to check on the popcorn and the eggs, but she's pretty much left them alone most of the day now, so this is good. Okay, ducks, time to come in. Come on. Come on, ducks. Time to come in. We'll go get the one in the far back first. I don't know if you can tell what they're doing with the sky. Again, mostly they're putting it way out there, but not totally. Here's one laying it down right now. Let me see, is it in the oak tree? It's coming out from the oak tree. Yeah, I can't see it on the screen, but it's being laid right now. Oh, I think I can see it now. Yeah, I think they've been doing it in the evening or at night. Now, come on, duck. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Time to go in. Go. Go on. Keep going. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go, go, go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Slipped away. Come on. don't know how that big water works. It looks like it's dumped out most of the water, or maybe that's how it does it, I don't know. As soon as the babies discover the pond water and can drink from the pond, I will eliminate that. Alright, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.